Problema nyo rin ba ito sa mga fur babies ninyo? Don't worry dahil nandito na ang Target Pets 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner infused with Madre de Cacao, anti-mangge and anti-itch. Pamper your pets with Target Pets Shampoo and Conditioner and say goodbye to ticks and fleas while promoting a shiny and healthy coat. Ang ganda pa ng kanyang mga ingredients, ensuring your furry friend stays clean and comfortable. Ang dami na itong benefits. It controls tick and fleas, anti-mangge, anti-itch, eliminates bad odor, insect repellent, and smooth and dry and brittle coat. Gusto ko rin ang kanyang packaging. Napaka high quality. Tignan nyo naman, hindi tinipid. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung takip nito pang brush sa inyong mga pets. O diba, sino hindi gaganahan maligo dyan? Alam nyo ba tong fur baby ko? Ayaw na nitong naliligo. Pero tignan nyo naman, relax na relax. Akala niya ata nasa spa siya. Kaya if you want your fur baby cleans, moisturizes, and detangles, switch to Target Pets now and check it out.